Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do 5 quick and easy claw clip hairstyles which are going to be suitable for medium to long hair. Okay, let's get started with style number 1. First we're going to divide the hair from ear to ear straight across, and we're going to pop that top section into a ponytail. Then use your fingers to make a hole behind that elastic band, pop a couple of fingers down through the hole, and we're going to grab the top of that ponytail with your fingers and start pulling it back through the hole. Pull it through about halfway, and then taking hold of that loop we've created, we're going to give it one full turn. Hold this to the head and then add your favourite claw clip right underneath it. Then using your fingers gently pinch and pull for more volume. If you have any shorter layers, pull those out too. And here's the finished look. Okay, for the second hairstyle, again we're going to split the hair straight across from ear to ear. And we're going to secure that top section into a ponytail, but on the last turn of the elastic band, only pull it halfway through to create a loop. Using your fingers, we're going to divide this loop in half and pull one section to the top and one to the bottom. Add your favourite claw clip right in the middle, and then gently pinch and pull at those loops with your fingers until you get the volume and messiness that you like. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. For hairstyle number 3, I'm going to pop the hair into a ponytail about top of the ear height. And then we're going to make a hole behind the elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through, going from the top to the bottom. Grab the ponytail and start pulling it through the hole until you've created a loop. Then hold on to that loop and give it one full turn and hold it to the head. Add your favourite claw clip right over those twists so you're catching the end of that loop. And again, pinch and pull for messy volume. If you have any short layers, pull these out as well. And here's the finished look. If you're new to my channel or just keep finding yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, moving on to the next hairstyle, we're going to pop the hair into a mid-height ponytail. And we're going to make a hole going from the right to the left behind the elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Grab the end of the ponytail and pull it all the way back through that hole so it ends up on the right hand side. Pinch and pull the hair for some volume. Then add your claw clip right over that twisted section over the elastic band. And we're going to pop a little clear elastic band on the end of the ponytail. Now bring that ponytail over to the opposite side. Release your claw clip a little bit and just tuck that elastic band underneath. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. Okay, so we're going to be moving on to the last hairstyle now. Again, we've started with a ponytail about top of ear height, and I'm going to divide this in half. Cross that right section over the top of the left section, and then bring them both up to the top of the head. Add your favourite claw clip, making sure that you grab those sections at the top. And starting on the right hand side, I'm going to start twisting this section towards the head. Bring it down to the bottom of the claw clip and secure underneath. And then just repeat this on the opposite side. So twist it towards the head, bring it to the bottom and secure it under the claw clip. Pinch and pull at those twists to make it as big as you like. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know which was your favourite style in the comments below.